Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I wanted to show you my design team package for the month of May 2020, and I'm really excited about this first item that I received. I don't know what happened to my Ranger mat. I mean, I have looked for it. I don't know where it is or what I could have done with it. Anyway, so I chose this silicone mat, and it says durable, heat resistant, translucent silicone work surface. Heat resistant for embossing, ideal surface for color palette mixing, non-stick surface, translucent material for all crafting needs. So anyway, there is the item number. Guys, I'm so excited to try this. So I'm going to open it up with you guys and see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Skid resistant. How is that? I love that. Oh, I think you're going to see this mat on my work surface from now on. I really like that. Of course, you couldn't cut on it because it's silicone, but I love it. Okay, so the next thing I picked up was the new Wild Rose collection. And then, of course, I got my trusty pen. Love these pens, guys. So I got the Heartfelt Creations Wild Rose collection. I've been eyeballing this for a hot minute. I know many of you have already gotten this, but if you haven't, I'm going to leave a link and a discount code in the description box. So let me get this open. Okay, so I got it open, and let me show you the item number for that one, 9467. So, guys, I've always said I'm not a card maker, and I'm really not. So this should be a little easier for me to make cards with. Look at the back. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. So really quick flip through here. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous, guys. This is so pretty. Can't wait to play with it. Oh, isn't that cute? Okay, so I'm not gonna, let me turn it this way a little bit so I can flip a little quicker. It looks like you get two. Oh, this is the sheet that makes the flowers. For this, all I would have to do is cut it out, and I'm gonna use my brother's scan and cut for that, and then just put it through the mold, the flower mold. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then here's the one for the small wildflowers. So this one's for the large. Look, yep, this one's for the large. And this one is for the small. Love it. These pretty leaves. Backgrounds. Gorgeous. Love it. So I can't wait to play with this. I'm probably gonna make some cards with it. I'm sure they'll turn out beautiful just because of the graphics. The images. Yep, and this is the last page. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful, guys. I can't wait to play with that. So yeah, I got that one. And then I also got some seedlings. These are from Bluefin Studios, and I'm going to use these for, there is the number for the Beating Heart, which is a red one, and then this one is burgundy there. And I'm going to use these for the flower centers. I saw Crystal use, I believe that's what it was, for her flower centers, and I thought they were so pretty. And they're just little, they're called seedlings, but they're little beads. I really don't want to open it. Well, I don't want, yeah, so yeah, I'm not going to pour them out, guys, but this is what they look like. Let me see if I can get this light. Nope. It's hard to see because of the position of my light, but it is pretty. They are beautiful. So I got, like I said, Beating Heart, which is the red, and then Burgundy. So those are so pretty. So I did pick those up, and then I also picked up the Bluefin Studio Bird Waltz, which is this one. Oh my gosh. Guys, let me show you what this looks like, because this is gorgeous paper. I believe you get one of each on here. And look at that. Oh my goodness, how gorgeous is that? Wow. Oh, look at the back. This one's a cut apart. And there's the back of that. Oh, I just love it. You know, honestly, I bet you the camera is not picking up. It's not doing this paper justice. It is gorgeous, guys. Oh, look at this one. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful dragonfly. Wow, their colors are spectacular. Look at that. Oh, I love this page. Man, that's beautiful. Don't know what I'm gonna make, but it is gorgeous. So I love that. Okay, so the next paper collection I picked up was the Bluefin Studios Romantic Life paper collection, and this one is just as pretty. I do, however, think that the other one is my favorite of the two, which is the Bird Waltz. Let's see this one. And there's the Bird Waltz. I mean, the Romantic Life. Oh, look at this. How pretty. Oh, look at this beautiful girl. Very shabby chic. Very. This one's a cut apart. I mean, you can really use it as a background. And there's the back to that one. It's a pretty blue one. Oh, look at this one. That's so pretty. It's a wallpaper looking one. Big old fan. And this is their collage type background. That's so pretty. Oh, look at that. And then look at the last one. Just as pretty as the first one. All right, guys, that is such a beautiful collection. So this one's called A Romantic Life. And then the last thing in my design team package was a package of score tape. Oh my gosh, guys. How many times did I say I needed something less than ½ an inch? Well, this is 3/8 of an inch, which is, what is it, 1/4 of an inch thinner than ½ inch. So I think this is exactly what I need when I'm making the mini albums. So I also picked up, with my discount, guys, that was the end of my design team package. But with my discount, I also picked up a couple of other items. So let me show you. The first item that I picked up was this Prima Paper Pad. It's Poetic Rose, and I think it's been out for a little bit, but it is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. So rose gold foiling, the cut aparts. This is beautiful paper, guys. It looks like you get 4 of each design. Gosh, that's pretty. I love that. Look, oh my goodness. Just love this paper pad. I know I've seen it around, and hopefully I'll make something really pretty with it. It's beautiful. So along with that, I also picked up the Ephemera Pack. And here is the back, and it tells you which ones are the acetate pieces and which ones are the paper pieces. So I cannot wait. I don't want to open it up because knowing me, I'll lose pieces and whatnot. But look, it's got that rose gold foiling on there, and oh, that is pretty. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't know how, you know, I just never know how to use the acetate pieces, so I'm gonna have to figure something out. So along with that, I got another package of score tape because, guys, you know I use a lot of this, so with my mini albums. So I got another one, and then I also got a bottle of art glitter glue. I know I had picked up a bottle last month, but guys, I go through that like, I mean, like, I don't know what, because I use so much of it. So I should be set. I still have, you know, about half a bottle of the other one, so I should be set for another couple of months or so. Anyway, that was my design team package, and just so you know, I love this. And yeah, guys, you should try it because it doesn't move. I love that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Love you all.